Dear students, welcome to the course on Trafficking in Cultural Property. Let me first introduce myself and then I will tell you a little bit more about the course. My name is Virág Pabeschitz and I will be your course instructor and mentor. I come from Hungary where I completed my bachelor's and master's in archaeology. Since my childhood, I always wanted to be an archaeologist. I found excavations and field archaeology so fascinating, and I started to participate in archaeological excavations when I was 14 years old. After the long university years, I decided to build my career in field archaeology. I worked on different excavations in the UK, Egypt, Sudan, Jordan, and Iraqi Kurdistan, working for the Washington University, the British Museum, and many others. I was fortunate to just travel between these countries and work as a site supervisor at amazing sites such as the Giza Plateau or the Fayoum. For 2 years, my base was in Cairo, where I was a lecturer teaching ethical archaeology at the Netherlands Flemish Institute in Cairo. Since 2019, I live in Frankfurt, Germany, because of personal reasons, and here I decided to do an MBA, which I actually completed last year. I wrote this last thesis about the ethics of antiquities investments. So you can see that my main interest is ethical archaeology, antiquities investments, money laundering, the trafficking in cultural property. And during this course, you will learn exactly about that, namely the trafficking in cultural property. We will start with the basic terms and an overview of the world of trafficking in cultural property, the different stakeholders, and so on. Then we will continue by discussing the consequences of these activities with which we all have to live together. I will share some of my personal experience from different expeditions as well. I would like to highlight some of the most notorious cultural heritage crime cases. You have no idea how crazy these are. You will learn about the future of protecting cultural property, high-end IT solutions, and startups that develop products helping this cause. Actually, I work for a very similar company here in Germany. In the end, I would like to share the findings of my MBA thesis, which is about the ethics of antiquities investments. At the end of the 6 lectures, you have to take a quiz to complete the course and get the certificate. I'm looking forward to meeting all of you and welcome to the course.